Hello everyone, welcome. As you can see a picture, do you know who is this? This is the Prime Minister of New Zealand and her name is Jacinda Ardern. So New Zealand government basically has taken a very effective step and that they have decided to basically control the pollution, and that's why they have basically taken a good initiative, and that is zero carbon law. And today in this lecture we will try to understand, and today we will try to learn what is the matter is actually all about. So without any further ado, let's get started. I hope all of you are quite well by the blessings of Almighty God. And friends, there was a time, I mean in the primitive age or ancient time, in the old age, there was a time when human beings adored or worship nature as God. Even still now, there are some places or some tribes in some places where people worship nature as God. But as time is going on and we are developing gradually, day by day, and with the development of science and technology in this ultra modern age, we most probably have become selfish and we don't adore or worship nature as God like ancient times. And you can witness the result of it. We are more indulged in globalization, deforestation, etc. etc. And as a result of it, the temperature of our earth is gradually increasing. You all know it very well. And we are facing a lot of problems like global warming, pollution, etc. etc. But we never pay so much attention to this, and we have to pay a high price for that in future. Nature will take revenge, you have to keep in mind. So we have to be conscious and we have to be very conscious regarding it. So anyhow, let's come to the main topic. Actually, New Zealand government has taken a very fantastic decision, and they are saying that by the year 2050 they will try to control pollution in every possible ways. Actually, they are really very much conscious about our environment. I really appreciate it actually, and I think that all the countries should implement such kind of laws to save our environment, to save our earth. And for your kind information, let me tell you that New Zealand was the first country to control the COVID-19 or coronavirus. So they are very much conscious country. Okay, China is in number one position in emitting carbon, and China emits carbon a lot. And after China, there is America in second position. Anyway, the key aims basically of the act is to reduce all greenhouse gases to net zero by 2050. And for that they will launch various types of basically schemes in their country. So it's really a very good initiative taken by New Zealand government, and I think all the countries should be conscious regarding such topics regarding our environment, and all the countries should come forward and they should think individually and together how can we protect our environment, and the citizens have to be alert and conscious regarding it. So that's why a good initiative have basically has taken by the New Zealand government, and this is zero carbon law they have they're going to implement actually. So this is really good. This is really basically a fantastic initiative, I think. So this was it all about. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Thank you.